First up,
A 3D printing technique is showing great promise in the realm of brain injury repair. This innovative approach allows for the creation of customizable scaffolds that can support and guide neural tissue regeneration. The potential applications of this technology in treating brain injuries and disorders are significant, offering hope for improved outcomes and recovery for patients. The breakthrough highlights the evolving field of regenerative medicine and the potential for 3D printing.
moving forward,
A breakthrough in cancer research has identified a specific metabolite that plays a crucial role in driving tumor development. This discovery provides valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms of cancer progression and opens new avenues for potential therapies. Understanding how this metabolite influences tumor growth could lead to more targeted and effective cancer treatments. This significant advancement emphasizes the importance of metabolomics in cancer research.
next up,
In a significant breakthrough, liquid metal circuits have emerged as flexible and self-healing electronics. This innovative technology leverages the unique properties of liquid metals to create circuits that can withstand deformation and even repair themselves when damaged. The development of flexible and self-healing electronics holds immense potential for applications in wearable devices, stretchable electronics, and resilient technology.
next up,
A groundbreaking X-ray microscope has unveiled the ability to visualize and study sound waves deep within crystals. This innovation provides valuable insights into the behavior of materials and their structural dynamics, with applications spanning materials science, physics, and engineering. By capturing and analyzing sound wave propagation, researchers can better understand the properties and performance of crystalline materials.
moving forward,
Researchers have made strides in selectively removing aging cells, opening up new possibilities for addressing age-related diseases. This innovative approach, aimed at rejuvenating tissues and organs, holds the potential to combat a range of age-related health conditions. The development signifies a significant advancement in the field of aging research, paving the way for potential treatments that target the underlying causes of age-related diseases and improve the overall quality of life.
next up,
In a significant development, new electrolyzers are poised to revolutionize the green hydrogen industry. These advanced devices play a crucial role in producing hydrogen as a clean energy source. The breakthroughs in electrolyzer technology hold the promise of making green hydrogen production more efficient and cost-effective, which is pivotal in the transition toward sustainable and renewable energy solutions. This advancement underscores the growing importance of green hydrogen.
and that's it for today. If you like what we are making, then please show support by subscribing and hitting that like button. That will motivate us. And so you are still here, then please comment your favorite part and suggest any improvement. Thank you for watching till here.